What if your deepest pain was your greatest gift? Think about it. The moments that broke you, the nights you cried alone, the days you felt invisible, lost, or not enough. What if those moments were not the end, but the beginning? You've been through things no one else sees. You've survived things that could have destroyed you, but you're still here, and that means something. Most people waste their pain. They push it down. They cover it up with fake smiles and busy lives. They say I'm fine when they're not. But pain doesn't disappear. It waits until you face it. And when you do, everything can change. Pain is not just something to survive. It's something to use, to learn from, to grow through. The strongest people in the world are not the ones who avoid pain. They are the ones who use it to rise. This video is your moment to see pain in a new way, to grow stronger, to speak better, to live with more purpose. You'll also improve your English, not with boring grammar rules, but through real-life storytelling, emotional words, and powerful lessons that stick. This is English for the heart, for the soul, for life. Welcome to English Starline, where your struggle becomes strength and your English becomes your voice. Don't run from your pain. Don't waste it. Learn from it. Let it make you powerful. Let's begin. Part 1. Everyone has pain, but most waste it. Pain is not rare. It's not special. Everyone has pain. The question is, what are you doing with it? You feel pain when you fail an exam, when someone leaves you, when your dream doesn't come true, when you're working hard but nothing changes. Pain is part of life, but most people never learn how to use it. They only learn how to hide it. They cover pain with distractions, hours of scrolling, endless videos, fake laughter with friends. They act busy, but inside, they are still hurting. Some people let pain control them. They become angry, bitter, negative. They say life is unfair. They stop trusting people. They stop trusting themselves. Their pain becomes a wall that blocks everything good. But there is another way. Some people use their pain. They don't run. They don't hide. They ask, why do I feel this? They ask, what is this pain trying to teach me? And slowly they grow. Slowly they change. Pain can make you softer or stronger. It can make you wiser or colder. It's your choice. You can waste your pain by pretending everything is fine. Or you can grow from your pain by being honest with yourself. Here's a secret every successful person has suffered. Every strong person has cried. Every wise person has been broken before. But they didn't waste their pain. They used it to rise. And you can too. Repeat this with me. My pain has a purpose. My pain is my power. Say it again. I don't need to hide. I'm growing stronger every day. Now breathe. You're not alone. You're not broken. You're becoming. Let's keep going. Part 2. The worst pain teaches the best lessons. Your biggest pain can become your biggest strength. It may not feel like it right now. Maybe you feel weak. Maybe you feel lost. But the truth is, pain is a teacher, and the worst pain often teaches the best lessons. Think about a seed. Before it becomes a tree, it breaks open in the dark. It's silent, it's slow, but it's growing. That's how we grow too, through pain, through pressure, through silence. Many people think pain is the end. But for some, pain is the beginning of something powerful. Let me tell you a story. There was a girl who loved to write, but life was hard. She lost her mother, her marriage failed, she had no money, no job, she was depressed. She felt worthless, but she didn't give up. Every night while her baby slept, she wrote. She turned her pain into pages. Her story became Harry Potter. Her name is J.K. Rowling. She became one of the most successful authors in the world. Not in spite of her pain, but because of it. That's what happens when you stop asking, why me, and start asking, what now? Pain shows you what really matters. It shows you who truly cares. It shows you how strong you can become. You don't learn strength from comfort. You learn it from struggle. You don't learn patience when things are easy. You learn it when you're waiting for change. You don't learn courage by always winning. You learn it by standing back up after losing. Pain is not the problem, avoiding it is. If you bury your pain, it grows in the dark. But if you face it, you can grow from it. You can rise above it. You can become someone new. Pain is like a fire. You can let it burn you, or you can let it forge you into something stronger like steel. Repeat this with me. My pain is not the end, it's a new beginning. Say it again. Pain is teaching me. I'm listening. I'm growing. You are not weak because you feel pain. You are strong because you are still standing. The worst pain you've ever felt can give you the wisdom you need for the best future you've ever lived. Don't run from it. Use it, learn from it, grow with it. Let's keep moving forward. Part 3. Reflect, don't react. Pain is automatic. Growth is a choice. When something hurts us, the first feeling is emotion, anger, sadness, fear. That's normal. But what we do next, that decides everything. Most people react. They get angry. They blame others. They make quick choices. But reacting without thinking only creates more pain. The strong ones do something different. They reflect. To reflect means to stop, to breathe, to ask questions, to look inside instead of only looking around. Here's a simple way to start. Step 1. Feel the pain without judging it. Say to yourself, this hurts and that's okay. Pain is not weakness. It's just a message. Step 2. Ask the right questions. What is this pain showing me? What is it trying to tell me? Maybe it's showing you that something needs to change. Maybe it's teaching you to be stronger, wiser, more careful. Pain speaks. You just need to listen. Step 3. Decide how you want to grow. Not how you want to escape. Not how you want to fight. But how you want to grow. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need to move in a better direction. Here's a simple English practice to help your mind and your language. Ask yourself daily, why did this happen for me? Not to me, for me. That small change in words changes everything. To me as a victim, for me as a student. Repeat this. This pain is not the end. It's a lesson. I am learning. Here's a little humor. If life gives you lemons, don't just cry. Learn how to make lemon tea in English. You're stronger than you think, and wiser than you were yesterday. Because now you don't just react, you reflect. And that's the first step to real growth. Let's keep going. Part 4. Turn pain into power. Step-by-step strategy. You don't need to be perfect. You need a process. Many people feel pain and stay stuck. They say, I don't know what to do. So they do nothing. But doing nothing changes nothing. What if you had a clear path? What if you could take your pain and turn it into power step by step? Here's how to do it. Step 1, write down your biggest pain. Be honest. What hurt you the most? A failure, a heartbreak, a mistake. Don't hide from it. Put it into words. When you write it down, it loses some of its power. It becomes something you can see, something you can understand. Write it in your journal, or even on your phone. Just don't keep it trapped in your mind. Step 2, find one strength it gave you. Yes, your pain gave you something. Maybe it made you stronger. Maybe it taught you patience. Maybe it opened your eyes to the truth. Find it. Even if it's small, ask yourself, what did I learn from this? What do I do differently now because of this? This is how pain becomes power when you take the lesson with you. Step 3, use that strength to help others. Maybe your pain helped you become a better listener, or a better parent, or a better friend. Use it. The fastest way to heal is to help. When you share what you've learned, your pain becomes purpose. Your story becomes strength for someone else. And in that moment, you realize it wasn't all for nothing. Step 4. Repeat and grow stronger. This is not a one-time thing. Life will give you more pain. That's the truth. But now you have a plan. Now you know how to turn it into power again and again. Write it. Learn from it. Share it. Grow from it. Here's a simple English line to practice my pain made me powerful. Say it again. Every lesson I learned made me stronger. Every time you speak these lines, you're not just improving your English. You're building your mindset. You're training your thoughts to see growth, not just problems. Think of pain like a gym. It's heavy, it's uncomfortable, but it builds strength you never knew you had. And the best part, that strength stays with you. The pain may end, but the power remains. Remember, your scars are not signs of weakness. They are signs of healing, signs of survival, signs of growth. So don't let pain stay in the past. Bring it into your future, but in a new form. Let your pain become your power. You are not what hurt you. You are what you build from it. Let's keep going. Part 5. Share your story. Your pain can help others. What if your worst moment becomes someone else's hope? You may think your story is small. You may think it's not important. But someone somewhere needs to hear it. Pain feels heavy when you carry it alone. But when you share it, something amazing happens. You begin to heal, and you help others heal too. Your story matters, not because it's perfect, but because it's real. You don't need to be a speaker. You don't need to be famous. Just be honest. Say what happened. Say how you felt. Say what you learned. This is how pain becomes purpose. Here's a simple way to share your story. Start with your pain. I felt lost. Tell your lesson. But I learned I'm stronger than I thought. End with your message. Now I want to help others feel strong too. This is the power of storytelling. It connects us. It builds trust. It creates change. And here's the best part, it helps your English too. When you share your story in English, you practice real words, emotional words, words that come from the heart. So write it, speak it, share it. Even if just one person listens, it's worth it. Even if just one person feels less alone, it's powerful. Your story is a gift. Don't keep it locked inside. Let your pain light the path for someone else. Repeat this. My story matters. My voice matters. My pain can help others. Say it again. I will not hide. I will speak. I will grow. You never know who needs your words. Let's keep going. Part 6. Don't let pain define you. Let it refine you. You are not your pain. You are not your past. You are what you do next. Many people stay stuck because they believe one lie. This pain is who I am. But pain is something you went through. It is not your identity. It is not your future. You made mistakes. So did everyone. You trusted the wrong people. You're not alone. You failed. That means you tried. Pain doesn't define you. It refines you. Like fire refines gold, your struggles can shape something stronger inside you. Clearer thinking, braver action, deeper wisdom. But only if you let them. If you hold on to the pain with anger, it will harden your heart. But if you hold it with courage, it will sharpen your mind. Here's how to start shifting your story. Say this, I felt pain, I grew from it. Say this, I was hurt, but I'm still healing, I'm still here. Say this. That pain is part of my story, but not the end of it. Your past may be dark, but your future is unwritten. You are not broken, you are becoming stronger, wiser, kinder. Don't waste time asking, why did this happen to me? Start asking, how can I grow from this? Your pain is not your prison, it's your training ground. You're not the same as before, and that's a good thing. Now let's finish strong. Conclusion. Use your pain. Don't let it use you. You've felt pain. Deep pain. The kind that stays in your heart and your mind. But that pain does not have to control you. It can guide you. It can grow you. You've learned something powerful today. Pain is not the end. It's the beginning. It's a message. It's a lesson. It's a chance to become someone stronger. You now know how to face your pain. How to reflect, not react. How to turn it into power. How to help others with your story. And how to build a future that is not controlled by the past. Don't let your pain be wasted. Don't bury it. Don't ignore it. Use it. Grow from it. Let it shape a new version of you, one that is bold, kind, and unbreakable. You also practiced real English, emotional English, honest English, the kind of English that connects people, that builds confidence. That helps you express who you really are. Repeat this, I will not waste my pain. I will grow from it. Say it again. Every step I take makes me stronger. Every word I speak builds my future. This is not the end of your story. It's the start of your next chapter, and we'll be here for it together. Thank you for learning with English Starline, where your pain becomes power and your English becomes your voice. Subscribe for more stories that heal, teach, and transform. Now go. Speak with courage, grow with purpose, and never waste your pain.
Thanks for watching English Starline. Subscribe now to keep learning English through the amazing stories of famous lives.